Hello, I'm Claire from the Old New Wildlife Trust, and today we're going to be making a nature table. There's loads of different ways you can make your nature table. Might even be a digital table using your phone or camera to take lots of pictures. As 30 Days Wild is just around the corner, make sure you hashtag 30 Days Wild so we can see what you've been up to as well. If you have space for a nature table in your home, then maybe you'll use it as a display, showing your family all the things you found out on exercise walks or even in your garden. Maybe you'll use it as more of a working table for things that you want to find out more about, do a bit of research into, maybe using guidebooks, microscopes, magnifying glass if you have any of those, but you don't need them. So we'll have a look, see what we can find, and then we'll put our nature table together. Something there is a lot of in many gardens at the moment is blossom. If you're not sure what sort of tree you have, you could use the blossom to find out. Just take some on a twig, pop it in a glass of water, and it will keep really well. I found this buttercup for my nature table, which I'm going to press. It can be a great way to preserve flowers, keeping them looking good for longer than if you just tried to keep them in a vase. You don't need much to press flowers, just a couple of heavy books and some paper towel. Place one on top and check back in a couple of days to find your beautiful pressed flowers. Living on an island, we're never far from the beach here. If you can access one, there'll be loads of great things to add to your nature table here. If you can find some things that smell nice as well as look good, they'd be a great addition to your table. For example, I found these mint leaves. You can arrange your table however you like. Maybe you'll do it in a circle by seasons as a calendar, or group it by habitat type, or anything else you can think of. So here is my finished nature table with some of the things I found around Alderney in the past couple of weeks. The best part about this is that everyone's is going to be different, so we'd love to know what you find and put on your nature table.